Hello YouTube family. Today we are going to be installing this chandelier with all its many pieces into the kitchen over the island. Now, the existing light is centered on the existing island. However, this island is going to be extended by 20 inches, and so this light needs to move over so it can be in the center of the island. Okay. You use your plumb bob, that's where my light goes.
This light is
Where the I noticed that the ceiling started dripping. Okay, now the light is up, and that's the final product. This light is installed dead smack in the middle of the new island. As you can see, the countertops were installed and the island extended. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave comments in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this where they're really kind of short, not so instructional, but just more short video clips. I do have other videos that I've done where I go more into the process and the steps of installing light fixtures and repairing drywall, things of that nature. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and until the next time. Hey.